water. Thank you. Is this water fit for drinking? No. So today I will show you how to clean this water with the help of traditional filters. So let's get started. So now we cut this bottle and make holes in its cap. So now we put the bottle like this and add a piece of cotton in it. You can also use coffee filter paper or cotton cloth, but I am using cotton. Second layer is of charcoal or activated carbon. The next layer is of sand. So, next layer is of pebbles. Last layer is of stones, big stones. Our water filter is ready. So let's test it. It is so clean and pure. Okay, so let's see the water. The water is so clean, the filter worked. But wait, do not drink this water. The filtration process does not kill all the germs. So it is advisable to boil the water before drinking it. Thank you.